Now see, in this simultaneous linear equation, we have to solve the system of equation using three methods. First was substitution method. हाँ, 1 मिनट हो रहा है. First was substitution method. Second was equating coefficient method, and third was cross multiplication method. So those three methods are important. One question will definitely come: solve the system of linear equation from using any of the methods. Now this word problem, last year in the cell meeting, they said that word problem will rarely be asked. So word problem they are not giving much importance, because your is board examination, newly introduced board examination. So even if 6E, suppose there are 15 problem, 5 problem of each type, so 1 problem, 2 problem will do. So let us see 6E, the ratio of two number is, but it is also important because these are easy part. So this can be asked for 4 marks. The ratio of two number is 2/3. The ratio of two number is 2/3. The ratio of two number is 2/3. If 2 is subtracted from the first number and 8 is subtracted from the second number, the ratio becomes reciprocal of the original. Find the numbers. Yes. What we write? The ratio of two numbers. So we write, let x be the first number. Let x be the first number and y be the second number. Y be the second number. X be the first number. Y be the second number. There are two numbers. X be the first number. Y be the second number. Now what is given? The ratio of two number is 2/3. Means ratio is given x ratio y. X ratio y is 2/3. Now x ratio y is same as x upon y. X ratio y is same as x upon y. The ratio of two number is 2/3. X is first number, y is second number. Their ratio is 2/3. X ratio y means x upon y. Now we cross multiply and simplify. So 3x is equal to 2 into y. Cross multiply. Yes. So 3x minus 2y is equal to 0 is my first equation. 3x minus 2y is equal to 0 is my first equation. All of you are having the textbook, no? So I can erase this question because all of you are having the textbook. Yes. Now what is given further? Yes, what is given further? The ratio of two number is 2/3. That was the first condition given. Now what is the second condition given in this? Yes, if you read the question further, if 2 is subtracted from the first, 2 is subtracted from the first number. So first number is x. So x minus 2. If 2 is subtracted from the first number and 8 is subtracted from the second number, the ratio becomes reciprocal. So x minus 2 second. Yes. Because see, we cross. No, 3x is equal to 2y. We take 2y on the other side, no? We take 2y on the left side, it becomes minus 2y. Yes. So, read the question. If 2 is subtracted from the first, means x minus 2, and 8 is subtracted from the second number is y. We subtract 8, y minus 8. If 2 is subtracted from the first and 8 is subtracted from the second, the ratio becomes, ratio means this ratio, the ratio becomes, yes, what is that? The ratio becomes reciprocal of the original. Original ratio is 2 upon 3, so reciprocal will be 3 upon 2. And now we solve this. If 2 is subtracted from the first number is x. 2 is subtracted means x minus 2. And 8 is subtracted from the second number is y. 8 is subtracted y minus 8. The ratio of these two, after subtracting 2 from first and 8 from second, it becomes reciprocal of it is given, no, it is given. See, further part you read, the ratio becomes means after subtracting 2 from first, 8 from second, we have to take the ratio. The ratio becomes reciprocal of the original. The ratio, after subtracting 2 from first, 8 from second, you have to take the ratio, and that is the reciprocal of the original. Original is 2 upon 3, reciprocal is 3 upon 2. Is it clear? Yes? Yes. Now we solve this. A ratio B means A upon B. This you remember. A ratio B means A upon B. Or A upon B means A ratio B. You can write in any form. A ratio B means A upon B. So x minus 2 ratio means division upon y minus 8 is equal to 3 by 2. Right? 1 minute. 1 minute, wait, have patience. Yes. So x by 1 minute, x minus 2 upon now it is clear, right? X minus 2, no, it is very much clear. No. X minus 2 upon y minus 8 is equal to 3 by 2. Now we cross multiply. Ratio means division. X minus 2 ratio y minus 8 means x minus 2 upon y minus 8. Now we cross multiply, so that become 2 into x minus 2. 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 3 into 1. Which step? Yes, you can directly write, no problem. You can directly write. So 2x minus 2 into 2, 4 is equal to 3y minus 24. You can skip this step. So 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 24 plus 4. We take 4 on the other side. 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 20. And this is my equation number 2. So now we have got two equations. 3x minus 2y is 3x minus 2y is 0. 2x minus 3y is minus 20. Now we have to solve equation 1 and 2 by any one of the method, either by equating coefficient method or cross multiplication method. Yes. I will always advise you go for equating by coefficient method. So let us solve equation 1 and 2 by equating coefficient method. Equation 1 and 2 by equating. Yes. We solve equation. It will come. 3x minus 2y is 0. Yes, wait. 3x minus 2y is 0 is equation 1. And 2x minus 3y is minus 20 is equation 2. Yes. No. 3x minus 2y is 0, no, nothing. Same answer you will get. Equation 1 and 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 20 is equation 2. Now you tell me, anybody? Yes? What? How you will do? No. See here. One observation you are not making. Yes, no. One observation you are not making, that the diagonal coefficients are same. Diagonal coefficients 3, 3, 2. 3, 3, 2, 2. Whenever diagonal coefficients are same, we add equation, get equation 3. We subtract equation, get equation 4. Then solve 3 and 4. Whenever diagonal coefficients are same. 3, 3, 2, 2. Diagonal coefficients are same. So you have to add the equation. Get the equation, not ABBC. That is, you are telling me about cross multiplication method. We are not going for that. We are solving by equating coefficient, but in that there is a special case. Whenever diagonal coefficients are same, we add them, get equation 3, we subtract, get equation 4. Then we solve 3 and 4. So we write 1 plus 2. Yes, you can do that. No problem. You can multiply this by 2, this by 3 and equating the coefficient and get the answer. No problem. You will get the answer. But what I will advise, see, direct equating coefficient will create a problem when these numbers are bigger. Suppose it is 101, it is 502. 101, 502, 502, 101. When the numbers are bigger, then directly equating coefficient will be slightly complicated. So in that case, what we do, we add 1 and 2, get 3, we subtract 1 and 2, we get 4. Then we solve 3 and 4. Here it will work because the number of No. First I will add them 1 and 2. So 3x plus 2x is 5x. Then add means plus minus will be minus. 2y minus 3y is 5y. 0 minus 20 minus 20. So you can take 5 common. Then x minus y is minus 20. So you can divide by 5. X minus y is minus 20 upon 5. So x minus y is minus 4. And this is my equation number 4. Equation number 3, sorry. So we have done 1 plus 2. Now I will write 1 minus 2. See, this method will work even if the numbers are bigger. If 3, 2, 2, 3 they are bigger number, then directly equating coefficient of method will be slightly complicated. It will be time consuming.